So for this problem, to evaluate the integral of this general power rule in 3 seconds, so from this given, first find the derivative for this 3x. So since the derivative of 3x is 3, therefore this becomes 1 over 3. Then times the given, so 3x minus 8. Then plus 1 for the exponent, so to the power 7. So since the exponent is positive 7, so we need to multiply this by the reciprocal of this exponent. So this is 1 over 7, then plus c. Then this becomes 1 over 7 times 3, this is 21. Then 3x minus 8 to the power 7 plus c. Then for this given, so put this constant outside, then over the derivative of 7x, this one is 7, then times 7x plus 2 to the power plus 1 for the exponent to the power 6. So therefore multiply this one by the reciprocal of this exponent, so 1 over 6, then plus c, or this becomes 5 over 42, then times 7x plus 2 to the power 6 plus c. And for this given, so if the given inside the parentheses is x squared, therefore there must be an x outside. So to evaluate now the integral, so we have bring down the constant over the derivative of 5x squared. So this 5 times 2, that's 10. So over 10, then times 5x squared minus 4, then to the power plus 1 for the exponent to the power 8. So therefore, times 1 over 8, then plus c. Then this becomes 3 over 8 times 10. This one is 80. Then that's 5x squared minus 4 to the power 8 plus c. Then for this given, so since inside the parentheses is x to the power 3, then there must be an x squared outside. So put this constant outside, 5, then over the derivative of 2x to the power 3. So this 2 times 3, this one is 6. Then we have 2x to the power 3, then plus 8. Then for the exponents, so if we bring up this equation, the exponent becomes negative 5. And negative 5 plus 1, so this is negative 4. So therefore times negative 1 over 4, then plus c, or this becomes negative 5, then over 4 times 6, this one is 24. Then we have 2x to the power 3 plus 8 to the power negative 4, then plus c. Then for this given, so the derivative of 5x is 5. So this is 1 over 5. Then we have 5x plus 7. Then for the exponent, so add this 3 plus 5, that's 8. Then for the denominator, the root, so 8 over 5. So since the exponent is 8 over 5, then multiply this by the reciprocal. So times 5 over 8, then plus c. Then observe, we can cancel this 5. So we have now 1 over 8, then 5x plus 7 to the power 8 over 5 plus c. Then for this given, so again, since the given inside the parentheses is x squared, then there must be an x outside. So put this constant outside, then over the derivative of 6x squared. So 6 times 2, this one is 12. Then we have 6x squared plus 9. So if we bring up this equation, so the exponent becomes negative 5 over 4. So this one is the root. So again, add these two numbers. So negative 5 plus 4, that's negative 1. Then copy the denominator. So since the exponent is negative 1 over 4, so the reciprocal is negative 4 over 1. Then this one is plus c, then multiply. So this one is negative 28 over 12. Then 6x squared plus 9 to the power 1 over 4, then plus c. Then we need to reduce. So this one is divisible by 4. So we have now negative 7 over 3. Then 6x squared plus 9 to the power negative 1 over 4 plus c.